Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just dipping your toes into the world of online selling, choosing the right platform can make or break your venture. BigCommerce promises a balance of simplicity, flexibility, and powerful features. But the question is, does it deliver? In this review, we'll cover everything from the platform's key features to pricing and even how it stacks up against other popular e-commerce platforms. Make sure to stick around, and by the end of this review, you'll know if BigCommerce is the perfect fit for you and your online store. Now, the question is, what is BigCommerce? BigCommerce is a leading cloud-based e-commerce platform designed to cater to businesses of any size. That includes small startups or large enterprises. Founded in 2009, BigCommerce has steadily grown in popularity thanks to its powerful features, ease of use, and scalability. The platform is used by thousands of businesses worldwide, ranging from small mom-and-pop shops to large, well-known brands. The appeal of BigCommerce lies in the ability to simplify the process of setting up and managing an online store. With its user-friendly interface, robust feature set, BigCommerce provides everything you need to create a professional and fully functional e-commerce website. Let's break down the ease of use of BigCommerce and talk about its features. When it comes to ease of use, BigCommerce stands out as one of the most user-friendly platforms on the market. This is even super competitive with things like Shopify or WooCommerce. The platform's interface is clean and intuitive, which makes it super easy for users of any skill level to navigate and manage their stores. The setup process is pretty straightforward too, with a step-by-step instruction guiding you through the initial stages of your store's creation. One of the key features that makes BigCommerce so easy to use is its drag and drop page builder. This tool allows you to customize your store's layout and design without any coding knowledge. You can easily add, remove, and rearrange elements on your website by simply dragging and dropping them into place. This flexibility makes it possible to create a unique and visually appealing storefront that reflects your overall brand's identity. One of the standout features of BigCommerce is the level of customization it offers. The platform provides a wide selection of professionally designed templates that cater to various industries and styles. Whether you're selling fashion, electronics, home goods, or digital products, there's a template that will suit your needs. And the best part is that these templates are fully customizable, allowing you to modify every single aspect of your store's design. You can change the colors, the fonts, the layouts, and more to match your brand's aesthetic. If you have coding skills, BigCommerce also allows you to edit the HTML and CSS of your site, giving you even more control over your store's appearance. For those of you who prefer a more hands-on approach, the drag and drop page builder is an invaluable tool. It enables you to create custom pages and layouts by simply dragging elements into place. This makes it easy to create a unique shopping experience for customers without the need for extensive technical knowledge. The next thing we'll get into is product management. BigCommerce excels in product management, offering a range of tools to help you organize and showcase your products. The platform allows you to add an unlimited number of products to your store, making it ideal for businesses with a huge range of products. You can also create detailed product listings with multiple images, descriptions, and pricing options. So to actually show you guys how BigCommerce works and what it looks like on the inside, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step walkthrough. So guys, here we are inside of BigCommerce. The first thing you guys are going to want to do is hit link down in the description. Once you guys click that link down in the description, it'll take you to this page here, and this is how you're going to get access to your free trial. As you can see, the first thing we're going to do here is click the start your free trial button. Once we click that button, it will then take us to the next page. As you can see on this page, we're going to enter in our first name, our last name, our phone number, our email address, our password, the name of our e-commerce store, and what size is our overall online business. We're also going to choose where our store will be hosted, and then click the I'm not a robot button. Once you guys fill out all this information, you'll be able to go directly inside of BigCommerce. As you can see, we are inside of BigCommerce, and this is what it will look like. One of the main benefits here is that we do get a 15-day free trial. If we actually want to take a look at some of the plans here, because that is going to be important, we can see that they have a host of different pricing plans that we can choose from. They have a standard plan, a plus plan, a pro plan, and their enterprise plan. Now, for the sake of features, again, each of these plans differ, and you are going to save quite a bit of money if you're on the annual option instead of the monthly option. As you can see, as far as features go for their standard plan, you're basically going to be able to sell online with your own beautiful online store. For their plus plan, you're going to be able to grow your online business with marketing tools and proven to increase conversion. And for the pro plan, this is basically everything you'll need with a comprehensive set of features. As you can see, these features include everything in this feature breakdown, and of course the plan that has the most features is going to be the pro plan. Now that we've gone over pricing, let's talk about how to actually use BigCommerce in the first place. As you can see on the left here, this is what's going to give us full access to actually editing our storefront. The first thing we want to do is click on the View Store button. Once we click on the View Store button, this is what the store will actually end up looking like. As you can see, we can go up to the top right here and click on this Design This Page in Page Builder, which will then take us right into their page builder. Their page builder is super user friendly. It's super easy to use, and all we have to do is simply drag and drop widgets wherever we'd like to place them. Let's say I want to add a hero banner to this page. I'll simply have to pick it up with my cursor and drop it over here. Once I've done that, I officially have my hero banner in place. And then if I want to start editing any of this, I can simply click into it and start typing out whatever I would like to type. The same goes for the rest of this website. It's super easy to use an interface with. Let's say, for instance, we want to change the actual button down here. All we simply have to do is click on this element or scroll up here to the left and look at the layers tab. The layers tab is going to be the easiest way you can access any of the elements on your website that you want to start editing. There's also the theme styles tab where you can change the style of your theme on the fly. Once we're done editing this overall website, we can simply go up to the top here and hit the save button. Once we hit the save button, this will all be saved and our changes will be ready to go. We can also have a private store link down here that we can copy if we want to go look at it on a main web browser. If we go back to BigCommerce itself, we can also add products pretty easily. Heading over to the home page, heading over to the products tab, and then we can add any of these example products that we have right here. As you can see, they already have their pricing and everything. And if we want to start adding products, we just simply have to click this add product button. Once we click that button, we'll then enter in some basic information and then some descriptions, image and videos, product identifiers, and the pricing. Once we've done all of this, we can then hit the save button and then our product is ready to go. And that's pretty much it. This is how you can get started with BigCommerce with a free trial for a fraction of the price. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about BigCommerce. Have you ever used it? Are you currently using it? And what do you want to see from it? Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully you found it helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you guys never miss any of our future videos. Other than that though, that's all I have for you guys today. I'll see you guys in a future video.